Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your girl Simply Amazing. If you are new, welcome. Take a minute, go down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. If you guys want to see how I achieve this gorgeous look, simple but flawless at the same time, then just keep on watching. Hit that thumbs up button. Yes ma'am, hit that thumbs up button because you know you like this look. So let's get on into today's tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simply Amazing. If you are new, welcome. Take a minute, go down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified every time your girl uploads. And with that out of the way, guys, let's jump on into today's tutorial. In my Juvia ZULU palette, and I'm going to go in with this yellow shade right here, and I'm going to pack it on. Taking that yellow shade right there, and then I'm going to pack it onto my lid arms. I'm going to pack that yellow on. Guys, comment down below and let me know I am not the only person this happens to, because really and truly it irritates me. Anyways, now that I've packed that color to my liking, I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Warrior 3 palette, and I'm going to take this baby blue, this pink right here, and I'm going to go in with that pink and a fluffy brush, and I'm going to use the end of that yellow. Weird, right? Typically you go in with the pink first because you know the pink would have been a darker color, but we're doing it in reverse. This look is for all my lazy girls out there who like you just want put a little shadow on your eye, draw in and go, or you probably don't want any shadow, you just want to win and go. This is the perfect look for you. But you guys know me, I'm going to take it a step further. I'm going to add some glitter to my wing. That's why I opted to do a brown wing instead of a black wing. And alright guys, my eyes look hella busy, but tip number this is the finished look. This is how everything came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Welcome to all the new subscribers. I forgot to say that in the beginning of the video, but welcome here if you are new. If this is the first video, thank you for stopping by. So if you guys enjoyed this look, if you guys like how everything came together so nicely, then hit that thumbs up button, share this video, share with a friend, tell somebody, say, oh, check out Simply Amazing tutorials. Yes man. And on that note, this is where I'll end today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I thank you for the continued support. My channel is finally starting to grow. Woohoo! So yes guys, I'm only coming with bigger and better content all the time. Yes ma'am. So I see you guys in Friday's upload.